Hi, I'm Nick this Street Kid. I'm a young patriot who loves history. Today, I'm in Jersey City with our French exchange student, Valentin. This is the story of the Black Tom explosion. The Black Tom explosions happened over there on July 30th, 1916, almost 99 years ago. This was an act of sabotage by German agents to destroy American-made munitions that were supposed to be supplied to the Allies in World War I. That over there is Black Tom Island. Black Tom was a major munitions depot for the northeastern United States. Until early 1915, American munitions companies could sell to any buyer. After the blockade of Germany by the Royal Navy, only the Allied powers could purchase explosives from them. As a result, Germany sent secret agents to the United States to obstruct the production and delivery of war munitions to be used against Germany. After midnight on July 30th, some small fires were discovered on the pier. Some guards ran fearing an explosion. Others attempted to fight the fires and eventually called the Jersey City Fire Department. On the night of the attack, about 2 million pounds of small arms and artillery and munitions were stored on freight trains and on barges, including about 100,000 pounds of TNT. It's dynamite. At 2:08 a.m., the first and the largest of the explosions took place. Fragments from the explosion traveled long distances, some lodging in the Statue of Liberty, some in buildings in Journal Square. The explosions measured about 5.5 in the Richter scale and was felt as far away as Philadelphia. Windows were broken as far as 25 miles away. Property damage was at $20 million, and the Statue of Liberty skirt and torch damage was estimated to be $100,000. As many as 7 people were killed, including a 10-week-old infant.
C'est un cadeau de la France.
Some windows in Times Square were completely broken. People as far as Maryland were awakened by what they thought was an earthquake. The Statue of Liberty's torch was closed after the explosion for good. German spies were responsible, and Germany and America settled for $50 million in 1953. The final payment was made in 1979. America, never drop your guard. The dates have changed, but the threat remains. Until next time, I'm Nick District Kid, and remember my state slogan.
New Jersey, from the Revolutionary War to the Jersey Shore, both history and fun await you.